But you can't say I do day trading on a Saturday afternoon and say, okay, this is the day that I'm going to do some day trading. Hello, and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq Scalping Bot. In this episode, we're not gonna talk about the scalping bot. We're not gonna talk about how the bot is doing. We're gonna talk about something else. And you clicked on the link because you thought we're gonna explain, and I am gonna explain to you the difference between day trading and scalping. I have a scalping bot, but a lot of people also do day trading. And what is the difference between scalping and day trading? Well, let's start with day trading. Day trading is something that a lot of people do, and a lot of money is earned with making good trades on the market. And to be a good day trader, you need a lot of things to do. And you look at the market, and by chance, I have the favorites, but let's take a... Well, if you look at the market, and this is the market of the commodities, a lot of like oil, Brent oil, neutral oil, silver, coffee, we've got zinc, we've got cotton and corn, and a lot of, can I scroll down, please? Thank you. We've got a lot heating oil, soybean oil, rice. These are the most popular commodities. We also have base metals, we have energies, we have precious metals. Oh, precious, and we've got soft commodities. All these, the market, oil market, but let's take any one of these. If you want to day trade, you're going to look at this and you're going to say, and you know that, well, one of these days, next week, or in the couple of, because it's day trading, in the next week, we will find out that by any means, copper is now plus 10%. Let me see the market. Grab it on the charts. There's copper. Well, wow, I didn't know this, but copper had, when this did happen, last Friday, wow, such a spike. Okay, but if you did know, that's the trade by day trading. If you did know that would happen on a day trading point on copper, then you would have waited with buying shares of copper until it reached almost this point. You would know, then you buy your shares, and then you wait, and then it went down again. And then looking at a 5-minute chart, so in 5 minutes it would be hard. You will take a look at the 1 day. Whoa. Good. If we look at day trading, you know that something is going to happen to a certain company or to a certain market point that will significantly drop down or go up. So it will be getting significantly less worth or more worth. And if you know this, then you will wait and to sit and say, okay, we're gonna make a trade on the moment that certain point. And that's what day trading is you know the market. You know what's going on. And if we look back to the Discover, and that's a trade, the most popular. If you know what's going on, then you are aware of everything that's on these products you see, on these markets. And it's impossible to know everything from every market, But to be a day trader will say that you need to know from the market what is going on. And not only these, but there are several other things in the US market, like consumer price index, the CPI, or what is the central bank doing, or what is the government doing, or all that you need to know. And if you know all this information, and if I take this one step further, then you are aware of all the news about what is going on. And day trading means that you know this and that you have the exact knowledge and that you know, okay, today this and this is going to happen, so I need to be, and then you go to specific, let's say wheat, and then you go to wheat and you say, okay, I'm gonna buy a lot of wheat shares, not wheat itself, wheat shares at a certain point, and then I'm gonna wait because I know that the price is gonna rise significantly because somewhere in the world there is something that's going on and they're gonna need a lot of wheat, so the price is going to rise today. And if you know, if you guess it right, if you really do know what it is, then you can earn a lot of money. Which means that, in short, to be a day trader, you need to know about the market and you need to invest a lot of time and to buy a lot of, like, let's say, wheat. The share is here right now. The buy is $570. So if you want to buy, you need to bring a lot of cash to buy significantly enough to, if you're going to sell again, to make a large profit. Day trading. Now, let's go to scalping. And if I go to scalping, then I'm going to my favorite part, and that is the Nasdaq. But you can do scalping everywhere. If you do scalping, all you do is take a look at the market as it is going. And then you're going to guess as good as you know, or you have a good strategy like I do with the Nasdaq scalping bot. When you have a good strategy, you're going to wait and you're going to say, okay, let's say we're going to buy at this point and it's going to drop. Not we're going to buy, we're going to sell at this point and it's going to drop all the way down here. And then I close the contract again and I made a profit from this point to that point in this day, because it's a day. I see. Let's take the 1 hour. Yeah, it's slow. It was a slow market there. Let's take this one. That's a good one. You start selling right here and then you wait it, and after a couple of hours then you see that it's going up again, and then you close your contract and you're done. And that's it. All you have to do is to wait and to see what's going on a certain market. I choose the Nasdaq, but you can choose any market you want. But to do good scalping, you don't take a market like a commodity. The best day to do scalping is on an index like the US 100 or the S&P. That's also had a nice drop, I see, in the last couple of hours, last Friday. Then you do the scalping. Scalping doesn't require a lot of money too. You can start at this point. You say, okay, I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna go short, like it's called, going short. And then you're going short for, let's say, $200. And then you invest $200, and then when it's going down and you wait long enough and you think, okay, this is it, then you might have, I don't know for sure, but at this point, it's down for 6,000. Let's say at this point was 6,110, and this is 30, so it's 80. This could be, let's say, at a $200 starting point, this could be a $140 profit just with $200 investment. And that's it. So the difference between day trading and scalping, day trading, you dive into the market, you got to know exactly what's going on, and you bring a lot of money. Day trading you can do part-time, and day trading you can do full-time. Of course, a lot of people do full-time day trading, but you can't say I do day trading on a Saturday afternoon and say, okay, this is the day that I'm going to do some day trading. You cannot do. Day trading means a day, invest in the market, know what's going on, and then pick your cherries and then make your profit. Scalping, on the other hand, is what I do, is what a lot of other people do, is you need to know what the market is. Okay, it's not wise to do scalping without the right market information, but you don't need to deep dive into the market and to see everything what's going on and knowing when is what going where. No, you dive in one market like I do, the Nasdaq or the S&P, and you keep in check what is going on. And when you have the right strategy, you can make money rather easy on a Saturday afternoon. It's not possible because the market is closed on Saturday, but on a Saturday afternoon, you can do this. And I did to do this after my work. I worked as a teacher till 4 or 5 o'clock, and when I was home from 6 to 10, the Nasdaq was still open until 10. So from 6 to 10, I did some scalping. That's possible. It's not meaning that I do day trading, but it's possible to make some scalping. And I did make some rather good money in those days. And now I'm trying to have a scalping bot to do this for me when I'm not at home. The difference between day trading and scalping. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, click like. And otherwise, have good luck with your scalping or day trading.